You see this? You see this? Shame on you, Traylene. Shame. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Traylene Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. And be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my social media platforms at Traylene Danita. Alright, I am back with another video, okay? And yeah, it's a natural hair video. The hair is a hot mess. You see this? You see this? Shame on you, Traylene. Shame on you, Traylene. Oh my God. I'm going to be showing you how I detangle this dry, matted hair. All right? Easy steps, easy hack. We're not going to overcomplicate things. We're going to keep it simple, but it's going to be effective, preventing breakage and getting the hair ready for wash day. So let's just get into it. I know I'm not alone when it comes to the lazy natural hair days. And this is a reflection of that, okay? So let's just get into this detangling process. So my hair was actually styled in a wash and go. And in true natural hair fashion, I pulled this hair back into a low pony. And these are the results, okay? A dry, matted mess. And one thing you don't want to do is to take a comb to the hair. You don't want to do that. You do not want to do that because you are asking for damage, breakage, all of the things. And we don't want to do that. We want to retain our length, retain our hair, and retain the health of the hair. So I'm going to be going through the process and showing you how I detangle my hair, reducing breakage. And because I do have type 4 hair, the things we all dread, those knots. Them fairy knots, them single strand knots. Ugh. Yeah, I know. But we're going to work through this. We are in this together. So I like to make my detangling process as easy as possible because detangling, listen, it can drive you crazy, okay? First of all, pack your patience when you're detangling your hair, and you want to be in a calm state. If you're rushing, you're definitely going to be pulling your hair and breaking your hair off. And if you're in a rush, detangling the hair is not a thing you will want to do when you're in the rush because you want to be able to take your time. And I'm going to be detangling my hair using basic products, okay? It's going to be like a one product detangling situation here. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing that I normally like to do is spritz my hair with water, just kind of all over to soften up the hair. And I'm using the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit continuous spray mist bottle. I love this mist bottle because it just sprays the hair and it gets the hair really, really saturated like I like. And this is warm water. I like using warm water because with my low porosity hair, it just works better. So now that my hair is just a little bit more damp, it's more supple, and I can kind of work more with it. Next step, or the next tip with detangling the hair is work in sections. There is no way that I can take a comb to this hair. No way. So let's separate the hair. So I'm separating my hair in 4 sections. I normally start out with 4, and if I need to separate the hair even more, I will. But I like to normally start out in 4 sections. And like even now, my hair is not fully saturated. I have like some, you know, it wasn't as easy to separate here. I just take my time using my fingers. You want to use your fingers and just gently pull apart the hair. All right, now that my hair is in sections, I'm going to take the first section of my hair. I'm going to section these sections again because you don't just want to go in with a big section of the hair detangling. So I'm going to section that part, starting it out with water. The water initially is going to loosen up the curls, and that's what we want. Since my hair was in a wash and go, I had maximum shrinkage by the end of the week. So this definitely loosens up the curls. It's almost drenched. And I'm using my hands at first, y'all. Use your hands. With your hands, you can really kind of survey the hair, if you will. You can feel like where the hair is knotted a little bit. This is a tedious process, and you do not want to detangle your hair if you are in a rush or in a bad mood, okay? You're gonna pull your hair out. You're gonna be upset. This requires patience. What I'm doing is I'm just using my hands to kind of rake that water down and loosen some of the knots in the hair at the ends. Real simple, real simple. And I'll also like kind of loosen up my roots, because of course my roots, they thick. So I'll go in and I'll separate. You see there how you separate the hair gently. Gently. And then my hair is like somewhat detangled, not all the way. This is where we go in with the mother load, okay? It's that one product that gets my hair right every time, okay? A round of applause. A round of applause for, oh God, can you see that? This baby right here. Ooh. I love this African Pride Pre-Shampoo Detangling and Conditioning Pre-Shampoo. In the past, I would normally use pure aloe leaf to detangle my hair, and sometimes it can be a little tasking to go to the store to get the aloe, cut it up, prep it, clean it. Baby, I just cut my time in half with this. I love this because it does have aloe. It is a aloe based product. It's aloe and coconut water, which is great for the hair. So not only is it detangling the hair and reducing those knots, it's conditioning it as well. So I love this product. I also love this product because the price point is so good. It is no more than $6. I normally sell from like Walmart, Target, your local beauty supply, Amazon. Listen, it's on the market. You can find it. And all the stuff that I'm using today, I'll be sure to link it down below for easy access. So click the links. I appreciate you for doing that. But yeah, this right here, baby, she is the star. So let's get her ready. Like, this is the consistency of the product. It's very jelly. Ooh, ooh. It's a very jelly consistency and very smooth, and the smell is light. It's not overpowering or anything. So just taking some of that product, and I'm just, oh God, raking it in my hair. And when I rake it in my hair, guys, it's like the knots just melt away. It's like I no longer have dry hair, okay? It melts away. So I just take it and rub it in my hands and just rake it down the ends. Y'all, look, even be giving the hair a little definition for a wash and go. But we're not here for that. We are here to detangle the hair. So once I add the product, I just still, you know, use my fingers to kind of go through the hair. And it just makes it so easy, like, so easy. I am so mad I did not discover this product earlier on, but baby, this is a permanent product in my stash for sure. So as you can see, look, my hair is just raking through these curls like easily, and I just use my fingers to kind of rake the ends. And this, my people, is when I go in with a hair tool. I do not go in with the hair tool off the bat when detangling my hair. We gotta loosen up the curls with a little bit of water, a little bit of product before we go in with the tool, okay? Now I'm taking my detangling brush This is my tried and true detangling brush. It's part of the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit. Listen, it works. I found something that worked. I'm not gonna switch it up. Okay, so I'm using this brush, and normally I just start at the ends of the hair. You do not want to go here. Don't do that. Don't do that. No. Up top. Do not do that, because that is a disaster waiting to happen. We're going to start at the ends, baby. Yeah, we're going to start at the ends and then work our way up like that. Like so. Like so, like that. Like so, like that. And you see how it's just easily going through my hair. My curls are even popping back. Look at that. And just go up each section. And go up. And boom. You see that? You see that? Baby. Listen. Like I said, I'm so mad I did not discover this product earlier in my journey. But here we are, okay? We live and we learn. But that's how I kind of separate the sections. Now, there will be times when you have a little bit of situation at the roots. I just go in with my fingers. I do not take the brush or a comb to it. Still using my fingers, guys. We want to preserve the hair. And unfortunately, natural hair just tangles really easily. So once I've detangled that section, I just go ahead and kind of twist it up out of the way pretty much, so I can go to the other sections of the hair. It's super simple. Normally this process takes me about 20 minutes, if that. It doesn't take me long at all. So the other part of the section, just more water. Of course, the water is your friend in this detangling process. We need lots of water to loosen the curls. Using my fingers, kind of separate everything. And being gentle. Using your fingers, you can feel like certain knots in your hair, and you're less likely to pull them like a tool would. So the fingers, it's still a hair tool. Your fingers will definitely save your hair in this detangling process for sure. Use them fingers, baby. Alright, now that that's pretty much detangled with my fingers, taking that product, about that much, rubbing it. And with this product, a little bit goes a long way. Like, I don't even have to use a lot, and I wish I could just share how smooth my hair feels after I put the product on. I don't know if you could tell, because even like it defines my hair. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh God, see that tangle? I'm gonna get you. So when you have tangles like this, just take your time, smooth it down. Normally I just kind of use my hands to separate it. And sometimes they can be saved. And then other times when they can't, you just have to snip it away. It's the nature of the beast with natural hair. Like, you're gonna get tangles, especially if your hair is of a thick and coily texture like mine. You know, it just happens. It's just what it is. So see how I work through that knot? Patience, baby. Can't go at detangling your hair when you mad or you in a rush. It just won't work. So after I've done that, again, repeating that process, starting at the bottom and working my way up. And you can even see how easy it is. Like, it's not taking me any time to comb through my hair. Woo, woo. You see that? You see that? Easy. So easy. Let me go ahead and finish more sections of my hair, and then I'm going to come back. Alright guys, my hair is fully detangled. Normally my detangling process for my hair takes me about 20 minutes, which is good, you know, with the right products. It doesn't take long. When you are detangling your hair, first and foremost, you have to use the water, okay? The water is going to loosen up the curls, make the curls more easily to comb through, and then you just can't use water by itself, okay? You need to find that holy grail product that you love, a product with a lot of slip, okay? Whether it be a conditioner or pre-poo, whatever. I showed you what I love. I'm not letting her go. This one right here, holy grail. All right, this product because it's very affordable, it's accessible. Like I said, you can find it anywhere: Target, Walmart, beauty supply store. I even think, yes, CVS, all of the places. You'll be able to find the African Pride Pre-Poo Detangling. So that's not a problem. But if you're still curious, like I said, I'm going to leave the link down below so you can check that out. Found that super product that you love, African Pride Detangling Pre-Poo. Go ahead and use it, y'all. Then it's your hands. Use your hands. Your hands are hair tools, okay? Use your hands to rake through the hair, to get through those knots, all right? Your hand will feel the knots. And normally, if you feel something with your hands, you're going to be a little bit more gentle with it. And when you decide to put a tool in your hair, make sure it's a tool that you love. Like I said, I have been using this brush for a while. It works for me. I love this brush because it is flexible and it moves with my hair. It does not give that resistance. So this detangling brush, I love. It works for me. And let me tell you, I know this process works because this is the only amount of hair. I don't know, can you see that? This is all the hair I had from that dry matted mess. This is all that came out from my detangling. I'm doing something right. I'm telling you, I'm doing something right. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to click that like button. Comment down below letting me know, have you tried the pre-poo, or what is your method for pre-pooing? Do you do the detangling thing? I know most people hate detangling, all right? So I'm trying to make your life easier. So definitely comment down below letting me know what detangling products you're using and if you plan to use that African Pride pre. Guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.